Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to restart Snapchat app, and now let's dive right in. Now to restart the Snapchat app, we'll be required to go to the settings of the phone and not the Snapchat app itself. So first open up the settings of your phone, and on this interface guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for you. You can see the apps just above the location. Tap on apps, and on this interface again tap on app management, and over here you'll be required to search for the Snapchat, but let your phone load these options. So after that, tap on Snapchat, and Snapchat will be available over here guys. Tap on Snapchat, and first, in order to restart your Snapchat app guys, will be required to stop it. So in order to do that, let's tap on the force stop button available for us, and tap on force stop, and it will be stopped on your phone. And in order to restart it, open it again on your phone, and this is how you will be able to restart your Snapchat app guys. And there guys, this is how you restart Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.